DJ Delz.
Here we go with a detailed look at the Jimi Hendrix Funko Pop. Been wanting to shoot this for a long time, finally getting the chance to. So without further ado, hit that thumbs up button for that out of the box review. And let's get into it. So here we go, Jimi Hendrix out of the box. I definitely want the one, I think it's an FYE exclusive where the guitar is on fire, but I love this one also. I will link this in the description box below. There's a look at his side profile. There's a look at his back. Make sure to subscribe too if you haven't, if you love Funko Pop. And there's a look at his other side. And one more close-up look. And there you go, with a close-up HD look at Jimi Hendrix. Let me know your favorite Jimi Hendrix song. I would say my favorites is All Along the Watchtower, Purple Haze, of course, Hey Joe. There's so many, man. Leave your comments. Let me know what your favorite Jimi Hendrix songs are. And I did a video showing a whole bunch of my music Funko Pops. The title of the video is Pops That Rock, something like that. I'll put a pop-up somewhere on the screen. Definitely check out that video. Thanks for tuning in, and we out.